Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to declare on PandaBuy in 2025. If you're a frequent shopper on PandaBuy, you know that declaring your packages correctly is crucial to avoid delays, extra fees, or even seizures at customs. With new regulations kicking in for 2025, it's more important than ever to get this right. So, let's break it down step by step to make it super easy for you. First things first, why declare? When you buy from PandaBuy, especially international items, customs requires you to declare the value, contents, and origin of your package. This helps ensure everything is above board and speeds up delivery. For 2025, expect stricter rules on undervaluing items to dodge taxes, so accuracy is key. Step 1. Log into your PandaBuy account. Head over to the My Orders section and select the order you need to declare. You'll see a Declaration button. Click that to start. Make sure you're using a secure connection for this. Next, fill in the details. You'll need to provide a clear description of the items, like clothing or electronics, along with the total value in USD. Don't forget to include the quantity and country of origin. Pro tip: be honest about the value to avoid red flags. Undervaluing could lead to penalties in 2025. Now, for the 2025 updates, PandaBuy has integrated new fields for environmental impact declarations if your items include certain materials, like plastics. Double-check these to stay compliant. Once everything's filled out, review it carefully, then submit. You'll get a confirmation email, so keep an eye on that. Finally, after submission, track your package closely. If customs has questions, you might need to provide more info. Remember, proper declaration not only saves time but also supports fair trade practices. There you have it. Declaring on PandaBuy in 2025 made simple. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe and happy shopping. Thanks for watching.